everyone. Good afternoon, Doc. I'm Cypress Pitangan and I'll be your reporter today. So the topic that I'll be going to discuss is about weighted arithmetic mean. Now, let us define what is weighted arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic mean was discovered by Roger Cotes in 1712. It is a measure of central tendency of a set of quantitative observation when not all observations have the same importance. It is applicable to options with different weights. Arithmetic mean is defined as the value which is obtained by adding all the items of the series and dividing the total by the numbers of each item. It is considering the relative importance of each item. Remember, when calculating the arithmetic mean, the importance of all items are considered to be equal. Weighted arithmetic mean has a formula. This symbol, this is what we call summation. So x is equals to summation of fx divided by the summation of f, where x is the weighted arithmetic mean, the fx is the sum of all the products, where f is the frequency of each option and x is the weight, while f is the sum of all the respondents. In order for us to understand the weighted arithmetic mean, I have some example or problem here. The first problem is a student obtained the marks of 40 in math, 50 in statistics, 60 in physics, 80 in chemistry, and 45 in biology. Assuming the weight of math is 5, statistics is 2, physics is 4, chemistry is 3, and biology is 1. Now, the question is, find the weighted arithmetic mean per subject. How? I make some table here that represent our data for us to really understand this problem. So, the subjects are math, statistics, physics, chemistry, and biology. The mark obtained, or the F, which is the sum of the respondents, is the mark obtained in math is 40. How about the mark obtained in statistics? In statistics is 50. The mark obtained in physics is 60. How about in chemistry? So the mark obtained in chemistry is 80. So in biology, the mark obtained in biology is 45. Now, we are going to find the x. So the x is our assuming weight. So our assuming weight in math is 5. The assuming weight of statistics is 2. The assuming weight of physics is 4. The assuming weight of chemistry is 3. And the assuming weight of biology is 1. Now, how we are going to know or how we are going to find the fx? So later, we will find out what is the fx. But now, let us substitute first our formula. So our formula is x is equals to summation of fx divided by the summation of f. So our first step is we are going to copy all the mark obtained per subject and multiply it and multiply each of these assuming weight. So first is, what is the mark obtained in math? 40. 40 times the assuming weight of math is 5 plus the mark obtained in statistics is 50 times the assuming weight of statistics is 2 plus the mark obtained in physics is 60 times the assuming weight of physics is 4 plus the mark obtained in chemistry is 60, is 80 rather, times the assuming weight of chemistry is 3, plus the mark obtained in biology, which is 45, times the assuming weight of 1. So this time, we are going to know our fx here, or our sum of all products, on how? We are going to multiply the mark obtained times the assuming weight. So, 40 times 5 is equals to 200. So, the fx, or the sum of all products in math, is 200. The next step is 50 times 2 is equals to 100. So, the next is the fx of physics. So, next is 60 times 4 is equals to 240. So, in chemistry, 80 times 3 is equals to 240. And the last one is 45 times 1 is equals to 45. Now, the sum of all product per subject in math is 200, in statistics is 100, in physics is 240, and in chemistry is 240, and in biology is 45. So the next step is we are going to divide all the mark obtained. So next is the mark obtained in math is 40, plus the mark obtained in statistics is 50, plus the mark obtained in physics is 60, plus the mark obtained in chemistry is 80, plus the mark obtained in biology is 45. So our next step is we are going to copy all the fx here, or the sum of products. So the fx of math is 200, plus the fx of statistics is 100, the fx of physics is 240, while the fx of chemistry is 240, and the fx of biology is 45. So, the next step is we are going to add all the mark obtained. So, 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 80 plus 45 is equals to 275. So, the next step is we are going to add all the numerator here, or our fx, or the sum of products. So, 200 plus 100 plus 240 plus 240 plus 45 is equals to 825. And the next thing is we are going to copy the denominator, which is 275. So now, 825 divided by 275 is 3. So, equals to 3. So, therefore, the weighted arithmetic mean per subject is 3. So, our final answer is x is equals to 3. So, 3 is the weighted arithmetic mean per subject. So, now let us proceed to our example number 2, or our problem number 2. So, our problem number 2 is, for a month, Torres family requires the commodities listed below. So, this is the commodities of Torres family. The weight of each commodity is given. Now, the question is, find the weighted arithmetic mean. So, in order for us to find, I have here a table. So, the commodities of Torres family are rice, wheat, vegetables, and oil. Now, what is the weight in kilogram, or our x, or our weighted arithmetic mean, or given commodity? is in rice is 25. In wheat is 5. In vegetable is 8. And in oil is 3. Now, let's find out the F or the sum of our respondents. So, the F here is our price per kilogram. So, the price of rice is 30, while the price of wheat is 20. The price of vegetables is 25, and the price of oil is 65. So now, how we are going to find the Fx or the sum of all products? So let's find out. But before that, let's substitute first our formula. So our formula is x is equals to summation of Fx divided by the summation of F. The next step is we are going to copy all the weight of each commodity. So the weight in kilogram of rice is 25, which is our X or the given commodities. So the weight in kilogram of rice is 25 times the F is or the product of our respondents, or here is the price per kilogram. So 25 times price of the rice is 30 plus the weight in wheat is 5 times the price of wheat is 20 plus the weight in vegetable is 8 plus the price of vegetable is 25 plus the weight in oil is 3 and the price of oil is 65. Now, in order for us to know the Fx or the sum of all products, we are going to multiply all the weight and the price of each commodity. So 25 times 30 is equals to 750. So the Fx or the sum of products of rice is 750 times. So next is the wheat. The 5 times 20 is equals to 100. Next is our vegetable. 8 times 25 is 200. And 3 times 65 is 195. So this is all the Fx or the sum of products of each commodity. Our next step is we are going to copy all the F or the sum of products, or in this item is our price per kilogram. So the price of rice is 30 plus the price of wheat is 20 plus the price of vegetable is 25 and the price of oil is 65. So the next is we are going to multiply all the numerator or our weight in kilogram and price per kilogram. So 25 times 30 is equals to 750 plus 5 times 20 is equals to 100 plus 8 times 25 is equals to 200 and 3 times 65 is equals to 195. So the next step is we are going to add all the denominator here or our price per kilogram. So 30 plus 20 plus 25 plus 65 is equals to 140. Our next step is we are going to add all the numerator here or our Fx here or our sum of all products. So 750 plus 100 plus 200 plus 195 is equals to 1245. So all we need to do is copy the denominator, which is 140. So now 1245 divided by 140 is equals to 9. So our x is equals to 9. So, this is the weighted arithmetic mean. The weighted arithmetic mean of each commodities is 9. Oh, that's it. This is the end of my discussion today. I hope you understand the weighted arithmetic mean. God bless and thank you.